Good morning, Primary 6. How are you? I miss you so much. Now, I will revise with you what you studied in Primary 5. Remember that rules of divisibility. You studied divisibility in Primary 4. If you remember, we said that any number is divisible by 2 if it even number. Any even number is divisible by 2. What is the even number? Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Any number, its unit digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is the even number. Any number, its unit digit 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is even number. All of these numbers are divisible by 2, and I can divide it by 2. Also, any number, the sum of all the individual digits and all of its digits, if I make it sum to them, the answer will be in table 3. For example, 3627. If we make plus to all of these digits, 3 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7, answer will be 18. 18 in table 3? Yes, 18 I will find it in table 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, so any number, the sum of all of its digits in table 3 is divisible by 3. Okay, how I know the numbers are divisible by 5? Any number, its unit digit 0 or 5 is divisible by 5, like 40, like 425, like 190, 95. All of this number, its unit digit is 0 or 5. So, they are divisible by 5. Okay? And remember also, what are the numbers that are divisible by 10? Any number, its unit digit is 0. Any number, its unit digit is 0 is divisible by 10. Like 10, 200, 3780, and many examples. Okay? Factors, primary. You remember factors? Factors, we said, if I want to know factors of a number, I will ask myself, what by what give me this number? Factors of 6. What by what give me 6? 1 by 6 give me 6. 2 by 3 give me 6. So, factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. Factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. Factors of 6, 1, 6, 2, 3, and 3. Factors of 12. What by what give me 12? 1 by 12 give me 12. 2 by 6 give me 12. 3 by 4 give me 12. So the factors of 12, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, and 4. 24. What the factors of 24? What by what give me 24? 1 by 24, 3 by 8, 4 by 6, 2 by 12. So the factors of 24, 1, 24, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, and finally 12. Okay? After that, we will talk about prime numbers, or we will remember the prime numbers. Do you remember prime numbers? Prime numbers, that are the numbers that has only 1, has only two factors. What is this factors? 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself. I didn't find it in any table except itself. Okay, like what? Like 2. What by what give me 2? 1 by 2. Are there any other numbers? No. Give me any other factors? No. There is 1 by 2 only. Give me 2. Okay, like 3. 1 by 3. Are there any other factors? Give me 3? No. 1 by 3. So the prime number is a whole number greater than 1 whose only has two factors, 1 and the number itself. Prime numbers is a whole number greater than 1. 1 isn't a prime number because 1 has only one factor. But 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, all of these numbers are prime numbers, and so on. Now I will revise with you some of the geometry rules. Okay, let's start with the square. You remember square? Square has 4 equal sides and 2 equal diagonals. Perimeter of a square, side by 4. Perimeter of a square, side length by 4. Perimeter of a square, side length by 4. Area of a square, there is 2 rules. Area according to the side length and area according to the length of the diagonal. Okay, area according to the side by side. Area according to the diagonals, half by d by d. Half by the length of the diagonal by the length of the diagonal. Okay, after that, rectangle. You remember rectangle? Rectangle has length and width. 2 length and 2 width. Perimeter of rectangle, length plus width all by 2. Length plus width all by 2. And area of rectangle, length by width. Area of rectangle, length by width. Circle. Circle has diameter and radius. We take circumference of the circle. We have 2 rules. Rule according to the length of the diameter and another rule according to the length of the radius. Circumference according to diameter, pi d. Pi is a constant. Okay, we know that pi may be equal to 22 over 7 or 3.14. Okay, circumference according to diameter, pi by d. Circumference according to the radius, 2 pi r. 2 pi. Now, triangle. Remember triangle? Triangle has base and height. Perimeter of triangle, the sum of all its side lengths. The sum of all its side lengths. And its area, half by base by height. Half by base by height. After that, rhombus. Rhombus has 4 equal sides. Rhombus has 4 equal sides and 2 not equal diagonals and 2 not equal diagonals. Have long diagonal and short diagonal. Okay. Perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus like the perimeter of a square. Side length by 4. Side length by 4. Okay, and its area of rhombus, half by d1 by d2. D1, D2, short diagonal, long diagonal. Okay. Finally, parallelogram. Remember the parallelogram? Parallelogram is base and height. Base and height. Perimeter of parallelogram, length plus width all by 2, like the rectangle. Okay, and has 2 lengths and 2 widths. Has 2 lengths and 2 widths. Perimeter of parallelogram, length plus width all by 2. Length plus width all by 2. Area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram, base by height. Remember with me, parallelogram has the long base with the short height, and the long height with the short base. Okay, base by height, long base with the short height, and the short base takes the long